If this found you, Spirit has a message for you regarding your love life. So if this found you, you're gonna wanna hear to what I have to say. Okay, so the first channel message that I'm here, well, first of all, I have to say, 90% of you are like, yes, tell me, what is it? I need to know. I'm so curious because I'm resonating with your energy and I'm really feeling like you're gonna say something significant to me. Then there's like the 5% of you that are like, I don't believe this at all, but for some reason I'm gonna listen. And then there's the other 5% of you that's like, I'm skeptical. I'm testing you. What are you gonna say? And maybe I'll follow you if what you say is right, okay? These epiphanies are gonna hit you guys later on. So yes, this truly is for everyone seeing this. So what I'm hearing is, the first thing that I heard was, if they wanted to, they would, okay? And the second thing I'm hearing is, I was being shown two hands, and this is interesting. Spirit always talks to me through analogies, right? Okay, analogies and metaphors. You have two hands. Okay, so there's a ball. Let's say there's a ball in this hand. We'll use the pen for example. You got a pen, okay? Sometimes Spirit needs to move the pen to the other hand because there's something else coming, okay? There's something else coming and this hand has to be open to catch it, okay? You've had a pen in your hand for a long time. You've got comfortable with this pen. You've used this pen. You know how this works. You know how this pen writes. You know the color. You like the safety net of this pen. You like having it in this hand. It feels comfortable. But maybe there's a whole entire world of Crayola markers that are coming to you. And you don't have to be bound to just this one color of black. But how would you ever know that if Spirit never pushed this pen out of your hand to be free to catch the markers that are coming to you? Maybe there's a rainbow of markers waiting for you. Here's what I'm trying to say. There is never a loss, okay? When it comes to your love life, there's never a loss. There's only gain. But if you stay focused on the frequency of loss, okay? You're constantly looking, where'd the pen go? Who has the pen now? Where's the pen? You're looking over here, you're not gonna see what's in his hand. And if you don't see what's in his hand, you can't realize why you had to lose the pen. You're still focused on, where's the pen? Where did the pen go? Will I ever get the pen back? And Spirit's saying, get off the frequency of the pen, get off the loss, and focus on the gain. You're like, I can't see the gain yet. Yes, you can't see it yet because you're still in the frequency of the loss. Get off the subject of love, okay? And trust that this is happening for you. And before you know it, there will be something equal to the pen or greater that comes to this hand, and you will understand why it all makes sense. Let me know if this resonates.